When the plus operator was introduced in Lesson 2, you learned that strings are not numerically added, but instead are concatenated. Hello plus world becomes hello world. The two strings become one new string. If more than two string objects are concatenated, the first two are joined together into a new string, and then the third string is added to make another new string. In the expression hello plus up plus there, the first step is hello up, followed by hello up there. String processing is a very important skill in computer programming since everything that is input or output in Java is a string. There are several very useful methods provided by the string class that are owned and available for use by string objects. Here are a few of the ones you should learn well. Length, char at, index of, equals ignore case, substring, to lowercase, to uppercase, trim, and compare to. On the next several screens are the descriptions for each of these methods, followed by actual program examples. Each method returns either another string, a character, an integer value, or a Boolean value. Also notice carefully that some methods use parameters, values inside the parentheses, and some don't. Even if no parameter is used, the empty parentheses are still required. Here are the descriptions for each method. Length returns the number of characters, an integer, in the current string. Char at x returns the character of type char at position x in the current string. Index of parameter string returns the position, an integer, of the string str inside the current string. Equals with the string parameter returns true or false, a Boolean type, indicating if the string str is equal to the current string. Equals ignore case with a string parameter. Works just like equals, but considers uppercase and lowercase letters like uppercase a and lowercase a to be equal, returning a Boolean. Compare to, which receives a string, returns a positive or negative value, an integer, that indicates the dictionary or lexical order of the current string compared to the parameter str. Substring with two parameters, start and the value end, returns a string portion of the current string from the start position to the end position -1, both parameters of type int. Substring with one parameter, start, returns a string portion of the current string from the integer starting position to the end of the current string. To lowercase returns a new string that converts all letters to lowercase. Any non-letters, such as digits or symbols, are unchanged. To uppercase returns a new string that converts all letters to uppercase. Again, the other digits remain unchanged. Trim returns a new string that removes any empty spaces from the front or from the back of the string, not empty spaces in the middle. Those stay there. In this example, a string is input and its length is displayed. Notice the prompt says enter a word or sentence. Word gets kb.nextLine, the input for a complete sentence, and then the sentence is output. Certificate is 11 characters long. In this example, a string is input and its first and last characters are displayed. Notice how the length method is used in combination with char at. A word is input using nextLine. The char at 0 is used to output the first character, and then the char at using word.length -1 is the last character. In this example, a word and phrase are input. Then the index of method is demonstrated. The -1 value in the second output example means the phrase does not exist in the word. This method can also receive a character parameter. Two examples are shown here. Dictionary is the word, ION is the phrase, and clearly ION is found at position 4 in the word dictionary. The second example shows Python and then the phrase BOA, and clearly the phrase BOA is not anywhere inside the phrase Python, and so a -1 is returned, indicating it was not found.